Hi, in front of me I have XIAOMI Mi Band 4C, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our smart band. To do it, simply press on the touch sensitive button right here at the bottom of the screen. Once you wake up the screen, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the menu. Here tap on the more icon. Now scroll down and select the option called Themes, this one. And here we have the watch face menu. You can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping up or down on the screen. Find the watch face you like to use and tap on it to apply it on your smart band, like this. You can also change the watch faces via the XIAOMI Wear app on your phone that is paired with your smart band. So let's bring our phone right here. On our phone, let's open the XIAOMI Wear application. You should see the, give me a second. Once you open the application, you should see this page, the status page. On this page, tap on the profile icon to open the profile page. And on the profile page, you should see this option right here, Band Displays. Tap on it. And here we have the list of watch faces, as you can see, and we can tap on one to select it, then tap Apply to apply it on our smart band, like this. You can also select the online category in the Band Displays menu, and here you have the list of watch faces you can download and add to your device. Find the watch face you like, for example this one, tap on it of course to select it, then tap on Apply. It's gonna start downloading. And once it's done downloading, it's gonna be applied on the band, as you can see. Let's go back, and also it will appear right here in the local menu, so you can select it if you want. Okay, and that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.